Hi guys, and welcome to this video. It's again Boxycharm time. I did get this in the mail about 3 days ago, but I finally got the chance to sit down and review it with you. So why waste any more time? Let's get into the unboxing. In this video, I'm also going to be showing you the pop-up and the pick-up option for next month, so stay tuned for that till the end of the video. You will now be able to see my preferences on the screen. So if you have any of these preferences, you would probably get a similar box. Nevertheless, let's clear the table for this new box and also get our knives out. Okay, so let's just pull out the card here. And it's the Boxycharm month of Flourish, which is great. I'm hoping that the products are nice and pretty much usable. Not that I'm complaining for the previous few months, but let's just pull out the first product, which is the one that I chose for myself. It's the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And here it is. Now this is an Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. It does retail for $74, which is a great deal, and you get a wonderful moisturizer that I have tried and tested previously. I've previously liked this product, so I'm not complaining, and I did choose it for myself, so I shouldn't be. But I'm not the happiest with the packaging of this product, and I've never been, because every time I have to pull out a little bit of the product, I necessarily have to take it out with my fingers, and I don't enjoy it. I would have preferred a tube or something which is easier, but just because it's like this, that's why I'm complaining. But let's move on to the next product. Now the next product that I am hoping to pick up is the cap. I was right. It's the Cap Cosmetics Day Plus Night Eyeshadow Palette. So here is the eyeshadow palette. Now as for Boxycharm, this is a new launch. It is a new formula. It's new and sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night. Now let's just check out the shades here. And oh my god, I can absolutely love these shades. As you know, I am a sucker for orange shades, especially for olive skin tone. And if you look at the shades here in this palette, and I hope this camera can focus, it's beautiful. It's got beautiful magenta, it's got purple shades, as well as a nice brown orange shade. Definitely swatch a few shades to see how they're pigmented. Now this is Dawn shade. I'm also going to try Cocoa, and that's again a very beautiful shade. So now that I've swatched two of the shades here, let's pull out the next product here, which is the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift. It's definitely something that I was looking forward to because it is encapsulated with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and delivers an anti-aging power punch. If you know me, you would know that I love serums, I love moisturizers, anything that brings back the moisture and brings back that natural young looking skin. I'm all for it. And this one retails for $65. I'm forgetting now, but we should add that to the tally here. Now the next thing that I'm actually pulling out is the Tristic. I'm not so sure of the name. It's the Tristic Refillable Brow Pencil Plus Gel, and that's that. I'm actually interested to read about how it's refillable, and it also has the pencil and the gel. Let's open this up. Now this is very interesting. It absolutely looks like a brow pencil, if you can see. It has the name on it, and when you open this up, it's a beautiful brow pencil. It's almost in the shape of the lines that you want to create on your brow. Let me just swatch that on my hand and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, this is the Espresso shade. So I'm not so sure because I have very deep eyebrows. Would espresso be enough, or I should actually get a black brown? So if you can see here, and I'm gonna zoom that in, it's a beautiful espresso shade. Maybe not the best for me, but if you notice in this shade, you can really create those thin lines. And that's wonderful about this product because that's exactly what you want to do with a brow pencil, right? It's got a good enough product, and I will be checking how much it exactly is. Oh, not bad. It's 0.16 grams, which is good enough for a brow pencil. Now let's pull out the brow gel here. So the other side is the gel, which has this beautiful spoolie that you can use to create and comb your brows with the gel. Again, this is espresso shade, so not so great for me, but I'll definitely give this to somebody who can use it. Now what's the most interesting is that both the brow gel as well as the pencil are refillable. I can definitely pull this out, set up another refill, and reuse the same product, which is great because it's environment friendly. Now that was my fourth product and it retails for $26. Again, this is a new launch, so let's just add that to the tally here on the screen. And ladies and gentlemen, my final product, which is the fifth product in this box, is the Sophia Plus Mabel Hydrating Hybrid Lipstick and Lip Balm in one. Let me just pull that out. Okay. So this is definitely interesting. It is a hydrating 2-in-1 lipstick balm and it is 3.5 grams. It's in the shade Topless and I'm assuming that's going to be very nude. It's a beautiful shade, but I'm assuming that's going to be lighter for my skin tone. I'm just applying it here, and if you can notice this shade right here, it's beautiful, but it's very light for my skin. But definitely if it's a lip balm and it has that soft balmy texture, I am going to be using this maybe even at home because it does give a little bit of a pigment with that moisturizing feel. This one retails for $15. Let's add that to the tally here, and oh my god, the final tally is $232, which is probably the best bet for a $25 Boxycharm base box. And it's not just for the amount, but also for the moisturizer that I was very happy with, as well as the serum here. I am pretty much ecstatic with the amount of products that I get for the $25 investment. The refillable brow pencil was very interesting and I'm sure somebody will get good enough use out of it. But ladies and gentlemen, this is all for my video and my review of the Boxycharm May box. Now I'm also going to be sharing my Boxycharm selections for the month of June 2021, and here they are. I did select the pharmacy oil because I am very much excited to try out skincare as ever in Boxycharm. This was all for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. But until then, you take care, love yourself, and stay charming. Bye.